Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save voice message from WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my phone and first thing first, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp. And for example, I'm going to save voice message from this chat. We can tap and hold on the voice message we want to save. I'm going to tap and hold on this voice message. Then we can click on the three dots on the top right and select share. Okay, and we can choose where we want to save this voice message. For example, I'm going to save it to my Google Drive. So I'm going to select Drive. Okay, and you can change the file name right here. I'm just going to name it voice message. Okay, and then I'm just going to save it to this drive. Okay, then we can click on save. Okay, and now the file is being uploaded to the Google Drive and we can go to our Google Drive to check it. Okay, and this is the voice message I have to save from my WhatsApp. Alright guys, and that's all the way to save voice message from WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.